Hello everyone, today we will introduce some of our latest products. Okay, look at the display step. Let's show the products.
This converter has a 1,2-VDC input, 9236-VDC, and a stable output of 5-VDC 5A to 5W. Can be equipped with a charging cable. Convenient and practical. The plastic shell design is lightweight and durable, and the waterproof function makes it fearless of harsh environments and ensures stable operation of the equipment. Advanced circuit design ensures high-efficiency energy conversion while reducing energy consumption. This DC-DC converter is ideal for your experiments, production, and daily use. We also provide customized services to meet your unique needs.